She also wants to play. Tap on Sky to play with her. Chase is going on patrol. He'll come back later. Look, Pup Treats appeared on the winding road. Collect them all to win your prize.
What's this? It's a Paw Patrol badge. Keep collecting Pup Treats to win the prize hidden by the Paw Patrol badge. Keep collecting Pup Treats to win the prize hidden by the Paw Patrol badge.
You got it! Puptacular! These are boost rings. Tap on the boost ring to use it. Katie needs help. Tap on her to see what she needs. Follow the dots to reach your goal. Look, it's Callie. Aw, nice work, Pup. Katie is really happy now that Callie is back. Paw Patrol, to the lookout!